cooking lovers, welcome to Revanka's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare raw banana rava fry. It's quite simple. For this you will need raw banana, ginger garlic paste. I'll be using mother's ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and tamarind, a handful of tamarind. Soak the tamarind for some time because you'll be using the tamarind water. Now peel the raw banana and slice them. Slice them into a circle shape or a round shape. But it should be a thin slices. Once it is sliced, wash them thoroughly, rinse them in the water and take it out from the water. Now in a bowl, take the soaked tamarind and filter the water. Now to this soaked tamarind water, add few salt, red chili powder, rice flour, 1 bowl of rice flour and ginger garlic paste and mix them nicely without any lumps. Use water if it's needed, or if you have this tamarind water itself, that's more than enough. Now to this paste, add the sliced raw banana and marinate it for about an hour. Nicely marinated. So after marinating for about an hour, we are ready to fry. To fry, you will need rawa in a plate. Add red chili powder and mix it well. Add some salt as well. Now keep the tawa and add some oil to it. Oil based on your wish. You can have less oil. Now dip each slices of raw banana into this rava mixture. Dip on the both the sides like this. So rava is more to consume the heat and it tastes good also. So dip it like this and keep it on the preheated tawa and fry it nicely. Like this. Add as much as possible on your tawa. Make sure the mixture is cleanly marinated and both the sides rava is sticking. Now close the lid so that it boils for some time. This is a nice snack during evening time. Like during coffee time if you don't want to have the usual pakoda or usual snacks, you can try for this rava fry. It's also a good side dish during your lunch or dinner time. So it's fried one side, turn it towards, flip towards the other side. It's nicely fried on one side, flip it for the other side as well. Close the lid for some more time. Now I see it's nicely fried and roasted on both the sides. It's, it's almost ready. I think we are good to take it out of the pan. So you do try this and let us know how you like it. Please do try raw banana rava fry. Hope you like our video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.